Hi guys, welcome back. So today on the channel, you'll see by the thumbnail, we've got two Ninco vehicles, a DTM Mecedes and a yellow Subaru. We'll go to the table in a minute, but I'm just doing a bit of that golden hour walk around with the new DJI Action Pro 5, and just to sort of show off its capabilities of dynamic range, colours and that sort of thing, and we'll see if it's any different to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that I've got, which is very similar lens and features. This is a little bit new and improved, so we'll see if there's any sort of difference. One great thing is that it also syncs up to the DJI mic as well, so that's a great feature. Here's my little new puppy Django. He's about 4.5 months old. Hey little fella. He's a bit scared of the camera. But yeah, so let's get back to the table and do a review on a couple of Nincos. Yeah guys, so welcome back. We're over here at the table. So tonight's a lovely sunset night tonight. All the flowers are blooming, mangoes are going nuts. So really just trying to show you a bit of this dynamic, or show myself also too, the dynamic range on this camera. Django, come back over here, come on. With sunsets, so let's see how that sunset's coming up. But yeah, let's get back to the table. Sorry guys, I'm a bit fascinated with my new camera. Back to the table. So today, I've been wanting for ages, and I thought they were just a gimmicky little catalogue. I've gone and bought this Ninco catalogue, man, and it's a coffee table book. The production in it, and detail and knowledge of what's in Ninco's product range from the years gone by, to cars, to track layouts. So it's a wicked little Easter egg to add to the collection for Ninco fanboy like myself. Got all the carts. So I'm going to be able to sort of tick off. So there you can see the HSBC that we have, you know. So I'll be able to tick off the cars that I've got. So many more to get. But unreal. I was considering doing a 10-minute sit down and go through everything, but I think that might be a bit boring for everyone, because not everyone's such a fanboy as me. But oh my god, look at all the track layouts, different layouts we can try in the future. There's the little Golf, the Volkswagen Golf, Alistair McRae, deadly. So we're ticking off the box, and today also we've got the Mecedes CLK DTM German touring car, and we've got the Subaru WRX Rally, and this is my second one, as you can see, that's coming with the pin. So I've got two pins now. I've got the first one that came with the Toyota Corolla. But yeah, man, that little catalogue is much better than I thought it was going to be. It's a killer little catalogue. Look how thick it is. Anyway, so yeah, got this new DJI Action 5 Pro. So it syncs up with the mic and everything that I've got already from DJI, so it was almost a no-brainer. And GoPro are dead to me. I haven't had a GoPro since GoPro 7. They're crap, you lose files, videos are upside down, there's no audio. Like, I'm over them. But, so, we're on the little gammon tripod, little selfie stick tripod. We'll see if this cuts the mustard. And it's also got a zoom, so let's try the zoom, see if it, oh yeah, it's not bad. So a little zoom feature. Let me just get me stool. Where's my stool? Need something to sit on. Otherwise I feel like a school teacher. Weather's beautiful up here in Darwin, guys. Very hot, but beautiful. So where are we going to start? Let's start with the Subaru. So they're pretty much new old stock. Look at that. So it's Ninco branded. Lovely gold rims. We've got the Catalunya 38 Rally, Costa Brava. Yeah, wicked. So yeah, it's four-wheel drive. It's got the NC2 motor. It's got a magnet. 132 obviously. And my first Subaru WRX. Wicked colour. It's going to bang on the track. So let's take it out. Beautiful, look at them new braids. Got the rib tyres. Turn it around that way so you can read the motor. Ninco NC1. So there, as you go, as you see, you can turn the rear tyres and you've got the four-wheel drive action, so you've got the little belt action inside. But we're going to give her a box stock run, not even going to oil it. We'll bend up the braids a little bit, get them making a good contact on the track. But that'll be first on the track. And we've also got the little, I assume, limited edition pins. So I've got pin number 2 now, so that's great. And thanks for new subscribers. We're killing it, guys. Thanks everyone. We're up to like 280 somewhere there. So we're about to crack 300 subscribers. I'm going to have to do something special for our 300 subscriber video. Let's get the scales set up too. Let's move that. Turn on the scales. Yep, see that a bit better. 0 grams. Oh, she's a big girl, 98 grams. Compared to, let's go compare it to the Mitsubishi Evo. 98 grams for the Subaru. 90 grams for the Lancer. So the Subaru's packing a little bit extra weight. Maybe it's the driver, the co-driver, or had a few too many beers the night before. But RACC branding, Ninco number 2. Love the grille effect on the front. That detail is great. Sorry guys, I was totally out of camera. The rear. Loving the gold rims. I love any car with gold rims. As you can see with the detail there with the driver and the co-driver. That little blue roll cage in there. Alright. Put him aside, put the scales aside. Bring over this guy. Bada bing, bada boom. Wow, man. So, it's a Mecedes CLK, so the big touring car. I think they're AMG, aren't they? Powered. I love the fluoro mirrors. That's great. Let's take that out. Hopefully me Jack Daniels sign up there too is adding a nice little like added light. Look at that Boss front end, eh? Imagine that coming up your rear end on the Nürburgring high beaming. Wow. I love the silver rims. Hopefully the camera's focusing. Bosch sponsorship. Karcher. Pressure washers, Dunlop. So yeah. And then what's this one? I've got the NC2 motor as well. And was that a slightly heavier magnet? Yeah, a slightly heavier magnet there than the Subaru. So let's take this little bad boy out of the box. Put him over there as well. Put the little Ninco pin back in so I don't lose the Ninco pin. Alright. Mecedes. Okay. That is deadly. Not four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, of course. Brand new braids. NC2 motor. Quite a bit of play in the front on this one. Nowhere near the play on the Subaru. I think that's due to the front bushes and the four-wheel drive accommodation. Nice little driver detail in there. It's got a nice sort of metallic-y livery on it. Alright, let's get the scales out. Oh, they've timed out, turn them back on. Let me just adjust that camera a little bit so you can see the numbers hopefully. So yeah, what we have, 96, 98 grams I think it was on the Subaru. 95 grams on the Mecedes. Gotta love it. Let's see how long the front emblem lasts on this Mecedes, and the wing mirrors, I suppose. So let's get rid of the scales, turn them off. Double check that all my dogs are still here. Where's the little puppy Django? Hey, come back here, Django. Good boy. Hey, he's a good boy. He's only 4 months old, but I think because of the other dogs, he's just following the lead, you know. So let me clear a bit of junk. Well, not junk. Let's get these cases up the back here. Actually, we'll get them out of the way so we got a better visual on the track. Put them out of the way. Hopefully the track's all been warmed up. So let's use this selfie stick to its full potential. I can see the dogs knocking this thing flying. Let's get a better camera angle. How's that? No, that's not going to stand up. Or is it? Alright, we'll give that a crack. So what am I going to do? We'll go inside lane, eh, or what? So we'll go Subaru first. Am I right controller? Oh, no, wrong controller. Black controller knobhead. So yeah, Subaru 4-wheel drive. Box stock, straight out of the box as you've seen. Oh, a little bit of drifting action. Let's get these braids splayed out a bit so they're making good contact. I'll do a couple of warm-up laps and then we'll turn lap tracker on. Oh, look at the drifting on the new tyres. We'll take it easy. Oh, full rollover. All right. She's warmed up. Let's get a bit of background action going with some lap tracker, eh? Not going to be pushing any fast laps. It's brand new, but
0.00.
There we go.
3.92.
Oh, that's no good. Picking up both directions.
9.58. 9.54.
Got to reset that. It's picking up that inner lane. So make that a little bit there, make that about there. Done. Start. All right. Can't believe the dogs haven't knocked that tripod over yet. Oh, that's good, didn't register then, so that worked.
0.00.
There we go. Here we're on a lap. Yellow Subaru looks wicked on the track, just pops.
9.33.
A little
9.00.
what is today? Wednesday afternoon cruise. Oh, cruise, and as soon as I say cruise, I roll it. Back onto the wheels though.
13.54.
Well, it looks great under that Jack Daniels light anyway.
9.33. 9.17.
Oh, off. All right. So that's the Subaru's. Let me touch that screen, wake it back up. See, that's the Subaru. Absolute wicked little thing out of the box as usual with Ninco. Let's move you around to this part maybe. No, that's not going to work, is it? Maybe we go about there. How's that? See what sort of camera angle that picks up. So let's stop, restart, and now we've got the silver Mecedes. Oh, hang on, let's bend up them braids, otherwise we're going nowhere real quick. Silver Mecedes, here we go. Should we go swap lanes? Let's go outside lane. Oh, it feels planted already. Oh yeah, it's planted.
0.00. 10.67.
You turn your back, I look out behind me, I've got my little sausage dog chasing plovers. Django! Daddy's trying to do a YouTube video. Oh man, this thing's planted. I love it.
9.00.
Oh, hang on. I jinxed myself. Let's redo those braids. Django! Come back here, little fella. Come on, you're too far away. Bloody big eagle will take you. Oh, hang on. New braids. Bit sensitive. I've got a dog distracting me. Django, come on. Come on, little fella. I might have to edit this out of the video, guys. It's
31.42.
a bit annoying, isn't it? Hang on, back on the track. Let's go. Back on the track, Tony. Let's go. Oh, don't overdrive. Oh, come on, Tony. That's just bad driving, that is, isn't it?
33.00. 8.71.
That's a bit better. Oh, don't like that corner. Push, lay it off there a bit.
10.79.
Well, oh, Tony, stop overdriving that corner.
10.46.
Oh, that's nice.
8.63.
Yeah, that's a good lap. Good lap. So yeah, guys, let's end that there. Mecedes CLK DTM, German touring cars. So, as you can see out here, my little sausage dog's probably 80 metres out there chasing wallabies and plovers. So I best go chase him. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks guys, catch you next time. Bye bye.